So today, Mike and I are still in East Henderson. We're going to take a look at some new construction with DR Horton and Cadence, which is a little bit farther out in East Henderson, a little bit farther south, but it's still a fantastic brand new community. As you can see behind me, there's still some construction going on. Today we're going to look at Symmetry Bay. These homes are going to be anywhere from 1,700 to about 1,900 square feet, and they're starting in the low 400s. The great thing about DR Horton is they come with everything. They're going to come with all the smart home technology, all the appliances, usually the stainless steel packages. So all the upgrades are already built into the price, so you don't have to really worry about that. If you do get in early, you do have an opportunity though to choose some of your cabinetry color and stuff like that. So let's take a look at these homes and see what we have in store. Mike and I have not walked into these yet, so we're really excited to check them out. All right, so let's check out this 1,795 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-story home. I'm really excited to check it out. Remember, these homes are going to be in the low to mid 4s. They're definitely going to be priced right for you. So the first thing I notice when I walk in is I have a staircase to my left. We'll go upstairs in a few minutes. As we walk further in, you have a powder room or a quarter bath right here, so your guests have someplace to use a restroom when you're downstairs entertaining, or if you don't want to run upstairs yourself. I walk into a fairly good sized living area. The living room is a good size. It's attached to the dining room or breakfast nook, and then of course you see behind me this huge kitchen. I really like how DR Horton, and most of the builders now, but especially DR Horton, are really stepping up their games with their cabinetry and their granite. This is just a really beautiful granite base with the grayish cabinets. And of course, you have a stainless steel farmer sink. I love those. Dishwasher here, a 5-burner stove, built-in microwave with the hood's going to be here. Looks like behind Mike, you have a double door pantry, which is great. And then of course, you got your Whirlpool double door stainless steel. Got to have that big fridge. I'm a big guy. I got to make sure I have plenty of food. And then you have access to a decent sized backyard. Most backyards are going to be desert landscaped, or there's going to be dirt. You usually have about a year or so to do your backyards if you want to add a pool or anything like that. You have about a year, so you don't have to worry about it right away. And again, the most popular thing I hear, because we are water conscious, is desert landscaping. It's really affordable and it's pretty easy to maintain, obviously. So as we work our way down here, I see a couple of doors I'm going to check out. It might get a little dark, but let's see here. So we have a storage unit right here, storage closet right here. They got some waters, things like that in here, but storage, and then this will be your garage door. They're using that for the sales office right now, so we're not going to bother them. Let's go ahead and check out upstairs. All right, first thing I notice as I come to the top of the stairs is the separation of rooms. I really like that. So not all the rooms are next to each other. It looks like you're going to have the primary behind me and then your secondary rooms over here. Let's go check out the secondary rooms first. So as you reach the landing, you come to your first bedroom. Pretty good sized room. You know, I love that they have the big windows. These are dual pane, so they are energy efficient as well. Then you're going to have the wall-to-wall closet, which is really nice. So yeah, this is a good sized room. You could definitely fit a queen size bed in here. Looks like we have your second bathroom, full bath with a tub, nice size. Linen closet. Now they have this set up as an office, but again, it can be a bedroom, wall-to-wall closet, a decent size, a little bit smaller than that first one we looked at. So you may want to utilize it as an office if you don't need that third bedroom, or you can use it as a bedroom. Great mic setup. Mike and I might have to steal that idea for our future filming. And you know what? I see a surprise, a bonus room, a fourth bedroom. All right, this is very similar in size to that first bedroom that we looked at. They have this set up obviously as a baby's room. Again, you have the wall-to-wall closets. It's going to give you plenty of storage, the higher ceilings, still good sized windows, so it's going to let in lots of natural light. This room might be a little bit darker than the others because you do have a building right next to you, so it is blocking some of that sunlight. Let's go check out that primary. So before we get into the primary, I want to point out there's a large laundry room here, full-size washer and dryer, and plenty of storage space. We'll get that in B-roll so you guys can see how large this laundry room is. All right, So you have a really good sized primary bedroom. It's not the biggest one we've seen, but this is plenty big enough. King size bed with 2 full nightstands next to it. You have the 2 windows to give you that light if you enjoy it. If not, you get some blackout curtains, you're good to go. Plenty of space for your TV and shelving, but you know, whatever you need to store your clothing. And then it gives you access to your primary bath. Let's check it out. I love it when they do the 2 sinks, but they're separate. So it really kind of gives that feel of maybe a smaller room being a little bit bigger. I love it. So these have the dual sinks, your separate mirrors, so you know who's more messy. We all know who that's going to be. You have your private restroom here, a decent sized walk-in closet. Easily, I'm going to say this is a 10-foot wide by 5-foot walk-in closet, plenty big enough to store 2 people's clothing. And then you have a really nice stand-up shower over here with a bench and shelves. It's not a tub. You do have another tub in the house though. So if you wanted to take that bath, you could use the other one. But this does have a nice tub. Let's go check out that next floor plan. And guys, let me ask you this before we go check out that next floor plan. What are you looking for? Do you enjoy Mike and I's home tours? Is there something else that you'd like to see while we're doing these home tours? Put it in the comments below, and don't forget to like our videos. It really helps the channel and helps us bring you more content in the future. Thanks guys. Let's go check out that next one. All right guys, now we're gonna check out this unit. It's 1,865 square feet. I almost locked the door out of habit. As I walk in, the first thing I see is a huge living area, much bigger than the last unit. But I do want to check out this little closet right here. Okay, yeah, you got a nice cloak closet right here. Again, you have the big tile floors. So that's just something that's going to come with the home, which is great. If you get in early, you might even be able to choose the color or style of tile. As you walk into this living area and kitchen area, you see the kitchen area is shaped like an L. So it's going to make it convenient for when you're entertaining. You have a big slider that lets you into the backyard so you can open that up and really enjoy some of that indoor-outdoor living. As you're making lunch or dinner for the family and friends, you know, you have a really good size countertop here, an island where you can easily put 5 or 6 chairs, dining area, and again, a nice well-appointed or well-sized living area. Again, DR Horton with the stainless steel appliance packages, side-by-side fridge, gas stove, dishwashers right down here. As you can see, this is a model home, so they're going to have the backyard done. Like I mentioned in the last house, the backyards are just going to be dirt when you come in, and you have about a year to do those. And that's just per the HOA. Let me talk about the HOA here. This community does not have a community HOA. It does have the master plan for Cadence, which is only $45 a month. So it's really affordable HOA, and it's going to help maintain the value of your home. So you don't have to worry about your neighbors having cars up on blocks or painting their house, you know, bright pink or with a green roof or anything crazy like that. That is one of the good things about HOAs. Let's take a look down the hallway, and then we'll work our way upstairs. So what we're going to have right here off the hallway is you're going to have a 3/4 bath. So you have a toilet and a sink so that your guests or yourself don't have to worry about running upstairs. Again, this is very convenient for when you're living downstairs, you're doing your things downstairs. So that's always nice. Garage access, as you can see, sales office is being used there. And then you're going to have your pantry and storage closet right down here, and we'll make sure we get plenty of that in the B-roll. But that is a huge closet, a little bit of Harry Potter action going on down there, which is always fun. All right, let's go check out upstairs. I love a loft, and the first thing I see is a nice sized loft up here. It's not the biggest we've seen, but it's adequate. You can definitely use this space to enjoy gaming or family time, or just a great place for the kids to sit and read and do their homework, or just even a quiet space for you to read. It's got some nice windows in here, so it does allow a light on both sides. And again, we talked about it before, they have the separation of the rooms, so it does give you that privacy and quiet when you're trying to sleep. Let's check out the secondary rooms first. So they walk down the hallway, full bath, well appointed, really nice. And then you're gonna have your 3 secondary rooms all bunched into this corner. They look all about the same size. They're all going to have the big windows to allow natural light in, so that you can read and just enjoy the vitamin D coming through the windows. They are going to be dual paned, so they are energy efficient, which is a big thing out here in Vegas. Wall-to-wall closets, and again, a good size. You can definitely fit a full or queen in here. And then we'll check out the other bedrooms as well. So again, they're all about the same size. This room, which you'll see in the B-roll, is a little bit different of an angle, so it might seem smaller, but it looks like the square footage is about the same size. Then as I working myself into this room, they have it set up as an office again. Does have the wall-to-wall closet and the dual pane energy efficient windows, and again the high ceilings, which is great. And again, it's the same size as that first one. Now let's work our way down to the primary. Full-size laundry room, again, a really good size, plenty of storage for your linens, towels, and all the other good stuff. Full-size washer and dryer in here. Then we come into the primary, a little bit bigger than that last primary that we were just in, with the lovely wallpaper. Again, that's optional. You don't have to choose that. This is gonna be done a little bit different because it is a model. But as you can see, they have a king-size bed in here with 2 full nightstands and plenty of space in between those. So it is a large room. They even have a sitting area over here, which is nice. I'm gonna work my way behind where Mike is standing and we'll check out the primary bathroom. So again, a must with the dual sinks. These are attached with the big mirror and medicine cabinet. You have this great walk-in shower with the bench and the tile, and then you're gonna have private commode. That would be really cool if this was a his and her commode, but I don't think that's what it's gonna be. Nope, you have your linen closet right here. How cool would it be? Comment down below. Do you want his and her commodes, toilets? And then you have a really large walk-in closet. This closet is huge. It's plenty of space to store all your stuff in here. Again, it's probably, I would say 8 by 8 at its widest, with plenty of racks and shelving to put your clothes in, store your luggage or wherever else you're gonna store in here. This also does come with a 2-car garage, which is nice. This community is also gonna have some other features as well. It's gonna have community parks. It's gonna have pools very close by. You're not far from the water park. You're not far from the hospital. You have really easy access to the highway, so you can get around the city pretty easily. And you're only about 10 or 15 minutes from Lake Las Vegas and Lake Mead. So if you enjoy the water, you're really close. You definitely want to check out, if you're going to go to Lake Las Vegas, you want to check out Sonrisa Grill. It's my favorite place. This right here, Taco Tuesday. What's today? Today's Tuesday. Mike and I might head over there soon. So check it out. Comment down below. Is this something that you're interested in? Are you looking in East Henderson or Henderson at all? Are you looking for new construction? This might be the home for you. Comment down below, like and subscribe, and let us know. So that was Symmetry Bay, guys. Again, these homes are going to be anywhere from 17 to 1,900 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. As you can see, the community has a playground. There's also a dog park, and again, the sports park is coming soon. So if you have any questions and you'd like to check out Symmetry Bay, please reach out to the Moody Olson team. If you're looking to buy this week, next month, or next year, reach out to us, like and comment below. Our contact information is also there as well. And don't forget, if you're thinking about getting a loan or if you need information about financing, we'll make sure that Steve Schauer and Linda Vo from New American Funding's contact is in the description below of this video. All right, guys, we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.